this is AJ Vizda and welcome to my kitchen! To my mini kitchen. Yes, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate glucose or starch from our rice using our Salad Master defatter or destarcher. This is the 3-quart with inset. This one, the inset. So, as we know, rice or potato have glucose. So, and glucose can gives you diabetes or makes your sugar high. So, if you have or you don't want or prevent diabetes or having diabetes, this is the solution to eliminate the starch from the rice. And I know that a lot of Asian really love eating rice. So if you love to eat rice, watch this video. And now we're going to put a water. And then you put the rice on the top. And let's add more water. Yeah, that is ready. So now it's here, and always check. Remember to just put the water a little bit higher than the rice, a little bit over the rice. Then that's it. And then medium heat. So if your stove, the higher heat is 6, so make it like 3, because with Salad Master we only use medium heat. And then after that, when it's ready, when it reaches to the 86 degrees Celsius, it will be clicking like this. Then after that, you have to lower it to click it to low. And that's it. Let's wait when it's ready. So the vapor valve is already clicking. So we are going to lower it to low. So this vapor valve is scientifically calibrated to 86 degrees, meaning it's enough to kill the bad bacteria, but also it's enough to retain the vitamins and minerals. Yeah. So we're not gonna open it yet. So if it's not too hot. So we are just going to wait until it will click again. So now it will stop in a minute or two. It will stop clicking, and then it will hit again, and when it reaches to 86 degrees, then it will be clicking again. Then that's the time that our rice is ready. So it started already clicking. Let's see. This might be ready already. Yes, the rice is cooked. And of course, if you want the rice like really dry, like that, perfectly perfect. So this is the healthy rice already, because this is starch free. And you know that the starch is eliminated because the starch is just right there. You know yung camera dun. Huwag masyadong malapit. Yes. See? Yan yung sinasabi natin, this is how. Yes. Ready. Ready to eat.